Hi everyone, Phil here in the kitchen. As you can see, I just want to do a little demonstration for you to show you the importance of why minerals are needed in our diet. Unfortunately, the mineral content in our fruits and vegetables now is a lot less than it was 100 years ago due to the over-farming situation, food production. So we're not getting the minerals that we require. Now, why do we require minerals? Because minerals are what we call cofactors. They allow everything to work together and optimize the body's functions. What I mean by that is trace minerals, which is what we find in our fruit and vegetables, or should be finding in our fruit and vegetables, are known as electrolytes. What are electrolytes? Electrolytes allow the conductivity of electrical impulses to travel through our body, particularly of course the heart, because we all know, if somebody has a heart attack, they have to have a device to shock the heart back into action sometimes. But our brain also is constantly firing billions of electrical impulses all the time, 24/7, and in order to do that effectively, we have to have trace minerals, and as I say, they're called electrolytes. So very quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you first of all a bit of a myth, and that myth is that a lot of people think that water conducts electricity. It does not. It is the minerals that are found in our water, or other substances, shall we say, nasties, that are particularly in tap water, that allow the conductivity of the electricity to flow in water. So if what I've just said is true, I'm now going to put these electrodes connected to the mains and a light bulb, and we're going to pop that in the water, and no reaction is shown in the light bulb because there is no flow of electricity in between those two minerals. Now what I've got here, I've got a product called Super Brain Food. There's 35 fruits, vegetables, enzymes in there, all organic, which are necessary really for our bodies to function properly, particularly with green foods. Now, what I've got here is a scoop of the Super Brain Food. I'm going to pop that into the water there, which you just saw. And there we go. So almost instantly, you can see that there are indeed tons and tons of trace minerals in the product. That is why it's called Super Brain Food, because that is what happens when our body is mineralized, and the functionality of all our organs, but particularly, as I said, the brain and the heart, is optimized. So there we go, Super Brain Food. Thanks very much. See you again soon.